Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add bank account to SoFi. In order to add a bank account with SoFi, the first thing to do is to launch open the SoFi application and log into your account. After logging into your account, go ahead and tap on the account tab at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on manage bank accounts, and if you've not added a bank account yet, it'll ask you to add a bank account. Simply tap on Add Bank Account button and make sure to verify your identity first. Proceed with your identity verification, and on the next page, go ahead and enter the 6-digit code generated by your authenticator app, or simply enter the 6-digit code sent to you via SMS on your mobile number. Tap on Submit after you are done and enter some of the basic information about yourself. After filling in all of your details, tap on Open an account at the bottom and upload a photo of your passport, its expiry date, and enter the residential address. You will also need to upload a proof of your address and other documents, and finally tap on Submit. Once your account has been verified, you can go ahead and enter your bank details and other information needed. Follow the prompts till the end and you will be able to link a new bank account on SoFi. That's how easily you can add a bank account on SoFi. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.